Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're gonna be doing
Blindfolded makeup challenge.
blindfolded makeup challenge. I always forget what to say.
Yeah, I know, I have me too. That's why when you came, I did it like no.
Yeah. Alright, so if you guys want to see how this turned out, then just keep going.
Okay. Wait, I need an eyeshadow palette then. I got it.
Okay, where's your eyebrow shit? This is not it. Are you like right here? I feel like you're like right here.
I'm trying to help you.
I can't. Let's say
It's tiny.
Oh, I found it. Is this?
It's...
Did you, bitch? Did you just give it to me?
Yes.
My hands will fall. I can't see. I'm sorry. I got my eyebrows done at the mall and they fucked them up.
Yeah, I know it. But
I'm pretty sure I'm doing this wrong, but it's okay.
too.
I don't know why I did that. I can't even see. I can hear your hairs.
I know. I can feel them.
Is this your concealer brush?
Yeah. Damn it! I don't have concealer. I just give it to you.
Oh my god, I hate you, Melissa. Where's it at? I think this is your eyebrow.
Okay.
Is that your eyebrow?
Yeah.
Where's your okay. So I don't use this palette a lot. Oh my god, why do I keep doing that? Okay, I know there's a brown in here somewhere.
Dark brown?
No, a light brown. I know it's somewhere. I know it's in the bottom. Fuck it. I don't even know. Am I touching something?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Where's your eye?
On my face.
Okay. I don't know what color this is, but fuck it. You're still gonna look pretty. My mom's like, she told me, she's like, you should do a video every day. And I'm like, that's a lot of work. I don't think she realizes it. Like the editing, especially because on my camera, and like I have to edit on a Mac. It takes forever. Do you care if I touch it?
I touch it all the time. There's the benefit, professional.
Smells good.
It's my second time getting it sample size.
I should do that.
Cause it was for free.
Yeah, because I have primers, but I don't like them. I'm like, man, this shit doesn't do anything. I honestly, I feel like primers don't do anything.
I use them for my pores so they can fill it up. You know how you can texture?
Yeah.
I like my face to look smooth. That's the only difference I see.
Oh shit, I'm gonna put it in your hair. You have a small nose.
I have a big ass nose.
It's oh shit. About plastic surgery, like they'll make fun of you, like, oh,
my dad has a big head, and my mom's always like, I don't know what she says, but she says something that's funny. I don't know.
What did she say?
I don't know. And I was like, okay, what was the point of saying that now?
I want, I don't even know what they're called. They're like cookies, but they're the fancy ones.
Macarons?
Yeah. Are they good?
Yeah.
I want to taste some. I told my friend to bring me some because she's in Las Vegas right now. I don't know where you can buy them here. I looked it up on.
You can go to Tampa Mall.
Yeah.
International Plaza, and there's where the food section is. There's a French pastry.
They're French?
Yeah, they're French.
They're for France?
French biscuits.
Okay, where's your concealer? This foundation.
You do that? You set your foundation and then you do concealer?
Mm-hmm. Because I have oily skin.
Oh.
Oh, you don't have oily skin?
No.
Oh.
Here.
Oops.
It's a concealer. No, but it's okay. I'll just wash my face and put a moisturizer.
Okay.
Oh my gosh, I'm gonna close my eyes.
Yes, I was about to say that. Oops, sorry.
Sorry. Okay. It's running out, but I really like that concealer.
You like this one?
Mm-hmm.
I don't like it.
It smells good. I smell it from here.
Really?
I was like, I'm good with bronzer. Fat forehead.
Oh.
It's so early.
I know.
The birds are chirping. What's your zodiac sign?
I'm a Pisces.
Don't know what that is.
The fish one?
Oh, I'm a goat.
You're a goat. There's a goat?
I think, I don't know.
Are you talking about the Chinese one?
I don't know.
The Chinese one? I'm a rabbit.
Oh, the Chinese one, I'm a horse. And then I'm a Capricorn.
Horses have big dicks.
Oh my god, don't.
They
Ew,
do.
I
It's
know, I saw
nasty.
it. Do yours first.
It's probably because the ring light is at medium, right? Or has a little thingy.
Yeah. This feels so weird. Oh. I didn't think it would be this weird. This is so hard. I would give up. No, I'm being real. I was like, oh no.
Oh.
Did I poke your eye? When you were touching my face, does it feel like delicate?
Yeah.
Because yours feels delicate too. Maybe because it's just the face. Not good. I already know, bro. I feel like I can see, but like not see. Like I know. Like I feel like you when you're like.
It's right there. Right there. Right there. Yeah. More. Yep. Right. Yeah. Right there. To the right. To the right. To the right. To the right. Up. 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 Right there.
Oh. Okie dokie. I didn't even prime it that much because I was like, I am not gonna risk poking your eyeball. This is not gonna be blended, bro.
I like getting my makeup done.
You do?
Yeah. It puts me to sleep, to be honest.
Because it's like massaging.
Yeah.
When it's you, you're like over here trying to make it look
yeah.
This is the most scary part. Because you don't know how good you're doing. But my eyebrows.
Just by touching it, you know what it is.
I can visualize it in my mind. It's so weird. I'm so weird. Everybody always tells me that I'm really weird.
Really? My boyfriend tells me I'm weird.
I was trying to go slowly. What are you doing?
that was my cheeks hitting against my saliva, I think.
Okay. I was like, what the? Is it your eyelid? I'm covering your eyes so I don't poke them.
Okay.
This is not okay.
No, I want to
What am I blending? Your nose? Oh my.
Yeah.
What is this?
My lips.
Oh, I was like, why is it moving? This is not okay. This is not okay. Can I look?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh. Oh, what the?
Alright guys, so that's it for today's video. Don't forget to like and subscribe and stay tuned for more videos, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys. Oh yeah, the reason why she doesn't have her makeup is because she took it off. We literally forgot to do the outro and the intro. We were gonna do it at the end, but
Then I took it off.
she took it off, so ignore that. But
Bye.
bye guys.